That tool almost fits, doesn't it? Okay. Be careful next to your brother. Y'all gotta be real gentle.
The water get me.
We're trying not to get you wet. Okay. Now remember, no plumbing repairs. You want to get out, Biddy? Can you get out from under the cabinet? No plumbing repairs unless mommy or daddy's helping, okay? Y'all don't do this. Y'all don't do this by yourself, okay? No, don't do this by yourself. What are we doing today?
We're working on a potty.
Are you sitting on the potty right now?
Yeah.
Okay, is this a sort of a potty training?
Yeah.
But it's on how to fix the potty?
Yeah.
Are you the... What are you?
Worker.
I thought you were the tool man.
Oh, tool.
Because you got a lot of tools, right?
Yeah, tool. If you have.
Yeah. What are you going to do today?
I don't know.
Aren't you the water boy?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a different kind of connotation when you're...
I got a cat I want to dog.
Are you going to catch water in there?
Yeah.
Okay, now be gentle. That's glass. We don't want to break it.
Well, I want to water.
Well, the water boy's job is to put the bucket where we're going to catch the most water. Okay?
Where?
Okay, back up, Bubs.
Where's Daddy? Where?
Right under the potty in the back.
You know how to do that? No, baby. That doesn't go there. Put it down on the floor. Be gentle, because the water boy does that job. Slide that under the valve. You gotta put it under. Gentle. I'm gonna turn it this way just a little. Now turn that valve this way. No playing with the plumbing unless mommy or daddy's helping you. You almost got it. Turn it a little bit more. That turns off the water. Okay, that's our first lesson right there. That turns it off.
The water coming.
No more water coming in, but we're gonna make a mess. Probably some water's gonna come down from under here.
What can I do with the worker man?
Oh, you're the worker man. All right, Bubs. Your job is to loosen this nut right here. You got to take that off. Can you do that with your hand?
I can do this.
Oh, you got a tool for that?
We're gonna lose a little bit of water. See, it's dripping in our bowl. All right, Bubs, see how I'm turning that? Can you keep turning it? Can you keep turning it? Keep turning it. Take it off. Hey, you got it loose. That's our first job. Well, that's our second job after we turn off the water. You keep dropping your tools, folks.
Did we disconnect the plumbing, Biddy?
Can I put it back?
No, we haven't fixed the potty yet. Can you see that, Biddy? Look, we're going to turn this one. So Daddy's going to have to go get his real pipe wrench, okay?
Yeah, real pipe.
This is a pipe wrench. This is why the tool man keeps track of all the tools, because you lost your blue pipe wrench. What happens when you lose a tool and you're the tool man? Then we have to go find another tool. Okay, now we got to take this tool, and we got to loosen this nut underneath the potty here.
I think you're the tool man too.
I am the tool man. Daddy really tries not to lose any tools.
And I try to not lose my tools.
You don't lose any tools?
I got it loose, so you can turn it with your fingers. Keep turning. Now, you know what we do next?
Nope.
This is also breakable like glass, so you don't pick it up by yourself, okay? Daddy's gonna pick it up. Okay. Now we got the lid off. Have you ever seen inside of a potty before, Bubs?
No.
What's it look like in there? What do you think, Bubs? Is it kind of dirty? Not too dirty. That's the inside where the fresh water comes in before you flush it. Well, that was a temporary little fix because our potty was having trouble filling up. That was a sort of a leak guard.
Daddy kind of crafted this little shape out of it to keep it from splashing. We've been limping along with this potty for a long time. Now, this piece right here. Oh, you see what happens? That's why we need the water boy. See what happened? Now the water boy needs to be the towel boy. Can you get us a towel? See all that water spilled? Oh, it's hard being the towel boy when you're short. Be gentle. Very, very good, water boy. Okay, leave it there. Leave it right there.
Okay.
Okay, now the towel. We're going to put the towel under the back of the potty.
Now what can I do?
Thank you, biddies. Okay, what can you do, Bubs? You can reach in and pick up the fill valve. this thing that we just took loose from underneath, pull it up with your fingers. Pick it up. Pick it up, Bubs. What do you have?
A fill.
A fill valve. Now put that in the sink. You have a fill valve. Now what's in the new package?
A fill valve.
Is there a new fill valve in there?
Yeah. What's this?
That's a flapper.
Flapper?
Yes. The flapper is not going to work in this potty because this potty has a big flapper.
The flapper in this potty is a light blue color. You see that? Yeah. And the flapper in this package is red. So, and it's a smaller flapper. So what we might have to do is take the old flapper out. Let me see if...
I see that. I'm the worker man.
Oh, you're the worker man?
Let me show you. I'll do it with this one. You slide it off the side and up. See that piece came off?
A worker man is so neat.
You like being a worker
I
man?
can't.
Okay, let me try sliding it this way, bud. It's pretty hard to get your fingers in there, huh? See what Daddy's doing? Look, look, it's almost there. We're gonna take this flapper out and clean it. Be gentle. We don't want to break it. Because I don't have a new flapper for this potty.
There we go, Bubs.
Did it hurt?
No. Just hard getting it out. Yeah, we gotta clean that. That's a dirty flapper.
Why did we take that off?
Why did we take what off? The lid? Yeah, that's the lid to the potty. And we don't touch that, okay? You don't take that off. It's breakable like glass. Only Mommy or Daddy takes that off when we're working on the potty, okay? Okay, baby?
I want to hold this.
You can hold that. That's the nut to the fill valve.
I'm going to get my tools and do what Daddy said.
Okay.
What can I do?
We're gonna disconnect this flapper right here. Let me show you.
Okay, so I gotta be the worker man again.
I think Daddy's doing this.
Why?
I don't know.
Where's this goes? I'm a worker man, so I should do it.
Okay, well, you can clean this with Mommy. It's kind of dirty. See that?
Yeah.
I go take that to Mommy and ask her to help you clean it, okay?
No, he's the water boy. You're the worker man. And the
I
tool
got
man.
some wobbly.
You caught some water, huh, biddies? And the towel, can you use the towel to dry up the floor? Yeah, thank you, biddies, for helping dry the floor. Y'all are pretty good plumbers. I like having y'all for plumbing.
I sweep the wall.
Oh, is the wall wet?
Yeah, because for that.
Yeah, it splashed a little bit.
I tried my foot.
You drying your foot? Did your foot get wet?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you better dry it too.
I tried it all.
Okay, let's keep the towel here in case we have any more spills. Alright, let's see if this little feller's getting into this package right here. Can you open that package, folks? I don't think that one will fit. So we'll just put it up here for now with the other parts we're not using. Yeah, that's the old fill valve. Now, can you get out the new fill valve? That looks like a new fill valve.
Yeah.
No. Do you know, can you figure out where to put that?
No.
What do you think it goes in the hole where the old one came out of?
Where? Where this goes?
I don't know.
It goes there.
Does it fit? Let me see this. That, I think that goes in there, but we're gonna do that later. I don't even know how this is gonna work.
Okay.
Anti-siphon. After we try this once, we're probably gonna read the instructions, Bubs. But I don't know what this is all about. See, that kind of fits in there. That looks sort of natural, like where it belongs in the potty. It's a little bit different than the old one we had. You gotta open that up.
Okay, we're doing this.
I don't think you have to poke a hole in that back. Well, maybe you do. Are you poking a hole? With your screwdriver?
Kind of.
There's a hole. I see your screwdriver.
Oh man. You're gonna learn how to open things, that's for sure. Now, how many parts are in there? Be careful, some of those might be sharp. How many parts did you find? 2 parts?
Yeah, 2 parts.
Okay, this is the nut.
That goes there.
Oh no, that doesn't look right. Doesn't look like the nut we need. I don't know. I don't know about this, Bubs. That's very bizarre.
I think where this goes.
Oh, maybe there is one thread. There's one thread in this nut, so
I think it goes in
not exactly. We're gonna work with that in a minute. But first we're gonna put this nut. Oh look, it says this side up. If you look closely, see it says up. So put this underneath the potty and put it on the fill valve and turn it. Let me help you hold that so it doesn't wiggle. It's okay, you're fine.
Can you? I need the water boy.
You need the water boy? Hey, water boy!
Hey, you're working on a puzzle? Okay, so no more water boy helping from you?
Ooh, I need a water boy.
Well, here's the towel. Why don't you just slide the towel over there where it's wet? You'll be the water boy right now, too.
Well, maybe you will be the water boy.
Well, I'm helping. Remember which side says up? Yeah, that looks pretty good. Can you put it on there and turn it so that it tightens up? Let's try a different camera angle. This is from under the cabinet. Can you tighten up that nut? That sounds like it's turning on nice and smooth. Keep turning. Oh, Bubs, you're getting it tight. There you go. Now, can I put my big hands on there and maybe see if it's tight enough?
No, yeah.
Okay, let me try.
I'm gonna give it other tools.
You got other tools?
Other tools.
Okay, let me see here.
And I'll get this thing too.
You got that pretty tight, Bubs.
Now first I need.
Yep, that's tight. That's tight, Bubs.
Is that cleaner? Oh yeah, that looks cleaner. Okay, this is not as soft as it used to be. That's why these things go bad, but maybe if it's clean it'll work a little bit longer.
So,
There.
I
That's
think
the hard one.
there.
Then this one. Look at where I'm putting this, Bubs.
Oh.
This little blue hole slides over that little white
I
plastic.
think that
That's
goes,
clipped on.
I think that goes there because wait.
Hang on, Bubs. I gotta hook this into one of these holes. This is for the flusher handle to hook onto the flapper. We gotta slide this on.
What's this thing?
You know what? We might use the old hose if it fits better because it's already got a curve to it.
Wait a second. I could curve this.
Well, you might save that little piece for crafting.
I could get craft it. I could craft it.
You want to craft with that little plumbing part?
Yeah.
Will that be fun? Okay, well, right now we're reusing this old hose right here, if it fits.
What about this?
Oh, hey. Look at that. And that fits right there, so
What's this?
that's another piece we're not going to use because Daddy connected the old hose
I could use this for crafting too.
down the little tube. Well, that's got sharp metal, so I don't think we're going to craft with that. But we're going to be careful with it.
I could craft this.
Hey, we need the water boy. Well, before we get the water boy, he's putting a puzzle together. You got to reconnect this water line. Right here, let me start the threads. You see down here?
Yeah.
Look down here. You got to line up the threads.
I
Make
could.
sure it's not cross-threaded. So we can tighten this back up. When you get the plumbing all hooked back up, so we won't have any leaks, then we can turn on the water. Do you want to turn on the water?
Yeah. You got some plumbing on you.
Oh, my hands are dirty? That's right. Now, can you turn that valve so the potty turns on again? The one down there that Biddy's turned off, turn it the other way. There you go. Now keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. There, that's all the way on. Now we're going to look in here and see if this potty is filling up.
Hey, Biddy. Come look. Yeah, we turned the water back on for you. Are there any leaks? Waterman, you're supposed to check for leaks.
Oh, there's a lot of water in there, huh? It's filling up pretty big, isn't it?
Let's close the lid.
No, hey, did you hear it? It just turned off.
Yeah.
That's what our potty wasn't doing. It wasn't filling up and turning on. And you flushed it. Have you ever seen how it flushes on the inside? Did you ever see that before? All the water that was in here went down to the bottom of the potty. Have you ever seen that? You never seen that before, have you? That's backwards. Put that facing the back of the potty. Better. Baby wipes. Some kind of cleaner. And don't touch the handle bulbs until it fills up again, okay? Wait for it. Oh, can you use the towel to finish cleaning up drying the floor? Now we need to wash our hands. Let's go wash hands. I don't know where the stool went, but we gotta wash hands. Those are the instructions. We're just gonna throw those away. Thanks, Bubs. I like fixing stuff with you without reading the instructions.